Hello YouTube viewers. Today we are working on a 2010 G37 convertible. Don't mind the noise in the background, but so this issue that a lot of people have is the clicking axle sound when you put it in drive or reverse. Very easy fix. You have a 32 socket, remove the nut, clean the threads. What I like to do first, this car, long story, so I had sprayed WD-40 in here. Now we're going to take a Q-tip and some grease. I'm going to go along this whole entire area, so that way we can make it quiet. I've already done the passenger side. Now we're doing the driver's side, and thanks for watching.